Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss the second chapter of physics is friction. What is friction? Friction is the force that opposes the relative motion between two bodies in contact. So friction is the force, or frictional force is that type of force which opposes the relative motion between two bodies which are placed in contact. Here we consider one example. Suppose this is a one horizontal table. Now one object is placed over this horizontal table. If you apply the force, if you pull the object, that is applied force, F. If you pull the object towards left direction, then the direction of frictional force is just in the opposite direction. So the frictional force, this is the frictional force, small f. Frictional force. So frictional force is always acts opposite to the direction of applied force. Now in this case there are another two forces also acts. The weight of the body, that is always acts vertically downward direction, and this weight of the body which is balanced by the normal reaction N. Normal reaction, and this is weight. So here what is the direction of friction? Frictional force always acts in a direction opposite to the direction of motion. If the direction of motion is towards left, then direction of friction is just opposite towards right side. Now, what are the causes of friction? There are three causes of friction. First one is that is interlocking between two surfaces. Actually, when this, suppose this is the one object and this is placed over the surface of another object. So here, if you see with the help of a microscope, it is not becomes smooth, it is rough surface. So suppose here, this is the one body, if you place the another body over it, so the two surfaces of two bodies are in contact and both are interlocking, means molecules of the first body interlocked with the molecules of the second body. That's why when we apply the force, either we pull or push the force, here you push the force, then first we have to breaking the intermolecular force of attraction between these two bodies. So on which, what are the causes of friction? First cause is interlocking between two surfaces, and second is the roughness of the surfaces in contact. So on which, what are the two causes? First is the interlocking between two surfaces, and second is the roughness of the two surfaces in contact. Now what are the properties of friction? properties of friction. Friction produces heat. Friction produces heat. This is the first property. Suppose here, if you rub our hand together, then we will get, it becomes hot. So when you rub the two bodies due to the friction, it produces heat. And second property, that is friction always opposes the motion of the object. Now, on which factor the force of friction depends? On which factor force of friction depends? The first point is, all of you see here, weight of a body. The force of friction is directly proportional to the weight of the body. If the weight of the body is larger, then you have to apply the more and more force, because the intermolecular force of attraction between two bodies will be high. And second is the force of friction, which depends upon the nature of the two surfaces in contact. As for example, if you take the one glass cuboid, its surface is smooth, so least force of friction is exerted. But in the case of brick, it has rough surface, so here due to the roughness of surfaces, force of friction will be larger. So force of friction depends on the two factors. First one is weight or mass of an object, and second, it depends on the nature of the surfaces of the two bodies in contact. Thank you.